What's up guys? My name is Bryan and welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to teach you the song Free My End by Ace Good. So let's start. Okay, let's start. So from here, you're gonna face to your left. And 1, 2, elbow, 3, 4, jump, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Okay, let's try again. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, next from here, you're gonna go 1, make sure it's diagonal, 1, 2, and 3, 4. Then kick, 5, 6, okay, then circle, rush 8, look back on 1. Let's try again, from here, 6, 7, and 1, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, then cover your mouth, 7, brush, 8, 1. Okay, from here, 1, 2, hit on 3, 4. Then you're gonna 5, 6, 7, 30 minutes, 7. Punch on 8, 1, close on 2. One more time, from here, 5, 6, 7, and then 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, on close. Okay, from here, so this is 1, 2 step, 3, 4, 2 step, 7, and then 3, 4, 5, then turn back, put your hands to your head of your back of your head, then turn, 7, then go none on 8. So we end up here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Good job. Next, 7, 8, go 1, 2, 3, 4, then 5 and 6, rush, and 7, 8. One more time. So 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Next, from here, you're gonna go make a circle. 1, clap. 2, shoulder. 3, and 4, slide to your left. 5, 6, close. 7, 8. Okay? One more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, slide. 5, 6. That's it. Okay, let's do it from the beginning. All of it. Let's combine. Ready? 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Cover. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 30 minutes. 1, 2, double, 5, 6, jump. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you like the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to my channel, and please give love to this gorgeous and beautiful woman at my back. By the way, this is Loretta, Ellen, Irene, and Maman. So see you next time. Bye bye.